Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz. This two-door convertible has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 9-speed shiftable out transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 28,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.